them yesterday, so I'm going to unbox this. For those of you that don't know, I have a new Xerjoff that just got in, so excited to show you this. So shout out to Jonah Shop for the awesome deal. Super excited. Ooh, check that out. That looks killer. I gotta say, Xerjoff may have the best presentation that I know of. I'm sure there's other brands out there that have amazing presentations, but man, I love the way Xerjoff does it. Again, I'm sorry. That box is killer. Oof. So, here's this. And pop open. Look at that. Check that out. Man. I will say the last one I had, it was magnetic, the box, and it sat on like, almost like a satin pillow. This one's on plastic, but man, the color is insane. I gotta say, that's nuts. Oof. But the important thing, there's the bottle. I'm just putting it on. I don't care. Let's do this. Let's do this. First impressions. I've never smelled Accento before. I actually wore Symphonium last night, so it was back-to-back days with Xerjoff. Look at me. I'm fancy. So immediately I'm getting this like nice balance of like sweetness. Ooh, this is nice. This is really nice. I like it. So I haven't looked up any of the notes. As you know, I never look up the notes beforehand. Well, rarely, I should say. Not never, but I rarely look up the notes. I like to go in with the first smells and see like what I think it smells like versus, hey, I know these notes are in there and now I smell it. And then later I'll look it up. But I like it. It smells very versatile. It smells like this would be a great summer fragrance. It smells like this would be a good spring, even a fall fragrance. But I'd say more spring, summer. The way the sweetness is done, it's similar to your like Valentino or like almost Invictus, although it's more along the lines of your Platinum Victory sweetness, not the original Invictus, which I'm not a fan of. I don't like the original, but I do like this. And I do like Platinum and Victory and so forth. Sorry. Ooh, can't wait. Smells great. Looking forward to wearing this more often, getting to know this fragrance a little bit more. So I'll do a follow-up video talking more about projection, performance, longevity, sillage, because again, this is just first impression. I have no idea how long this will last, but excited to add this to the collection. Sweet. It smells like a good one. So this is Nubs Fragrance. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for following and subscribing.